Hi, I'm going to give this away to one lucky winner on this video. It's the ArtBin Drum, and some of you may have already seen me post this as something I'm selling in my Etsy store. So if you are interested, you can go to my Etsy store. The link is down below and purchase one if you don't win this one. I'm giving this away. So the way to be a part of this giveaway is just tell me down below the video what is your latest crochet pattern you're working on, or what was your last pattern that you did. And that's all you need to do, and you need to subscribe if you haven't already. And then I will have this giveaway picked by the random picker for the YouTube comment, and it will take place. I'll list it in the description so you'll know when this giveaway will end, and that's all you need to do to participate. So it's that easy, and one lucky winner will get this, okay? And so that's all you need to do. Just subscribe and tell me what your latest project was, or what project you are working on, and it needs to be a comment on this video. Okay, so thank you, and thank you for watching.